Hello everyone, here's a quick video how you can generate a demo license or see where you can get it if you cannot find one. So assume you have Atlassian Jira plugin for your data center or serial instance, and you want to, for example, start a free trial with Microsoft Teams Jira connector. You click on the free trial, click get the license. It will direct you to my.atlassian.com, where you need to accept terms of use, generate a license. It suggests you to apply straight away to your host, but what may happen that this machine which you are applying it from is not available from the internet, and it may not be applied. For example, in this case, as you see, it won't be applied because my local machine is not accessible from the internet and the license was not copied. So what we can do is go to my.atlassian.com, click on trials, find the license and copy it, then come back, paste it, click update, and voila, the license is valid and you can jump and use Microsoft Teams Jira connector. If you have any questions about Microsoft Teams Jira connector or any other apps which is built on Move Forward, please reach out to us at moveworkforward.com. Thank you.